Beautifully matted collector's photo presentation, handmade in the USA. Collage contains an 8x10 photo, additional 3x5 photo and a biography. All photos and bio are mounted on bevel-cut double matting under glass. Comes framed in a beautifully sculpted black lacquered frame ready for hanging. Extra care is given to packing and shipping to prevent glass and/or frame damage. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for the home office, fly Eagles fly. I received this the other day and honestly for my first sports memorabilia purchase I was pleasantly surprised at first how heavy it was and how it looked like such a good quality. This is such a great time in our team's history. I was very happy with this purchase. Would recommend for any Eagles fans out there or Patriots fans. Haha.